Oakville, and welcome to our first Eyes on the Tigers Channel 97 News broadcast for the 2023 school year. My name's Katie.
And I'm Sawyer. We begin with our announcements.
Order your 2023 yearbook now to save $10 and receive a free nameplate. Don't wait. This sale ends September 30th. See the flyer or Miss Manolis in room 234 for more information.
Quiz Bowl is looking for new players. All grade levels are welcome. Practices are after school on Tuesday in room 200. See Miss Pierce with questions.
Seniors, check your email for a link to sign up for senior conferences. Conferences will be held each block except for the AMPs on September 20th, 21st, 28th, and 29th. Topics will include four-year colleges, community colleges, technical schools, and paying for college.
Any sophomores, juniors, or seniors wishing to register for the A+ Scholarship Program should attend the registration meeting at 9:15 in Gym B during A&P on September 23rd. Seniors, this is your last chance to register.
Any seniors and their families looking to learn more about affording the cost of college can attend Financial Aid Night at OHS. This will take place Thursday, September 29th at 6:30 p.m. in the OHS library.
Any juniors interested in taking the PSAT on Wednesday, October 12th can pick up a registration form for Ms. Shakatovich in the guidance office. Registration forms are due by September 28th. Cost is $20 and space is limited.
All students are welcome to attend the Collaborative College Fair on Wednesday, October 5th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. at Lindbergh High School. Attendees should pre-register at strivefair.com or scan this QR code.
Join International Club to learn about and enjoy different cultures from around the world. The first meeting is on Wednesday, September 28th from 2:15 to 3:30 in room 122.
Come celebrate Latin Independence with Spanish Club on Tuesday, September 20th. Enjoy shortbread cookies, crafts, and a short film after school in room 227 until 3 p.m.
Students interested in a career in construction are invited to attend the Build My Future Construction Industry Showcase on October 12, 2022 at the STLCC Florissant Valley campus. Students will have the opportunity to visit with a variety of professionals from the construction industry and engage in an interactive showcase of industry activities. Space is limited. Get a field trip permission form from Ms. Shakatovich in the guidance office. Contact Chris Ventimiglia at ventimigliac@msdr9.org with any questions.
Now, on to our first story about the new renovations around school.
Oakville students will notice new safety and quality renovations put in around the school. Our principal, Mr. Brennan, shows us what they are.
We had new front entrance doors put in. They were just finished up the other day, which look fantastic. What that does is it provides us an extra layer between the front doors and entry right into the building. Used to be if you were able to get an access to the front doors, you basically had access to the whole building.
The most exciting renovations are those done to the restrooms.
I wouldn't have really wanted to use the restrooms that have been here. They were here so long. We had our commons restrooms completely gutted and redone. They look phenomenal. So they're much brighter and much more secure. All brand new stuff. Everything is brand new in there. The lighting is brand new, and they really look sharp. We also took a restroom outside of room 116. That was a girls' restroom, and we have turned that into individual restrooms. People will be able to use those. It'll be much nicer, much cleaner. Again, much more up to date than what we have experienced previously.
Room 222 used to be an empty storage room, but that has been renovated too.
We divided that space, room 222, into 2 classroom spaces and 2 office spaces. The other room that we redid was 233, which is on the back of the library. That was that big open space. We put a wall up in there and divided that into 2 classroom spaces as well. One of the sides right now, a couple blocks, has our leadership class in it. And then the other side is where Mrs. Poe will meet with her students who are here as multilingual learners. She will host classes in there as well.
Hopefully, the new changes will give a brighter look to the school.
Since I've been going here, last year they were all pretty, I don't know, messy, and they always got trashed, but this year they look like really nice.
I think they're a lot nicer, and you don't feel like as gross going inside of them. They're a lot more bright. Like the white lights are a lot better.
I'm Sawyer Best from Channel 97 News.
Hopefully, students feel more comfortable in the new bathrooms.
Next up, Gracie and Natalie show us a familiar face as well as proper student section etiquette.
Hey Oakville, it's Gracie and Natalie, and we're going to teach you about student section etiquette. Let's go!
Rule number 1, seniority is always in play.
Respect your elders!
Absolutely no throwing anything, and make sure you pick up after yourself. Remember, always participate in themes. Boo!
That wraps up the rules. Now let's talk to a familiar face who's always at the games. Everyone meet Oakley the Tiger. He is our school mascot. Here are some things you'll catch Oakley doing at our games. And that's Oakley. Make sure you say hi to him at the next game and cheer loud with the student section.
With Natalie Baker and Katie Schrader behind the camera, I'm Gracie Lektai for Channel 97 News.
Remember to come and support your Oakville Tigers at all their upcoming sporting events.
In our next story, Amon and Justin run the first Tiger Walking of the year.
The new school year is off to the races, so let's roam these halls and see all the new faces. Let's go. Excuse me, sir, how are you doing? You doing good? What book are you listening to?
What books?
Yeah.
What book?
Yeah.
Kids of Appetite.
How's it?
It's pretty good.
What's it about?
I don't know.
We are slowly entering into the library. Silence is key. We're gonna go talk to one of our librarians, Mr. Wright, if he's not busy. What would be a good book to suggest for new students?
Well, it depends on what they're into. There's a lot of books out there.
How about mystery?
A lot of people are
reading April Henry right now. Her books are flying off the shelves.
We have a lovely green screen. The Taj Mahal! Whoa! Okay. It's Kevin, what song are you listening to?
Huh?
What song are you listening to?
I'm listening to Are You in Love by How Long? Baby.
Oh, we got food? Ooh. Tachos?
Yes.
Do you think it's gonna taste good?
No.
Have you tried any of them?
Not yet.
Are you worried? Are you excited about tasting them?
No.
We got some youngins walking through the hallways. Oh.
Motion sickness.
What's going on? What is this?
Businessman, entrepreneur, world leader, Nathan Wiederman.
Mr. Wiederman, long camera. I'm right here. Right here. Thank you for joining me.
What are you best known for, sir?
Mowing lawns.
I can happily do it. I'll join you.
Please.
If you need lawn, we'll cut for you. We're happy to welcome all the new faces to our Big Tiger family. With Justin Roush behind the camera, I'm Mon Luker for Channel 97.
That's all for our first 2023 broadcast.
Thank you for watching, and remember, Oakville,
keep your eyes on the Tigers.
Aaron Amador and Tiffany Schwagel.
Wait, show them my BBL face.
What does that say? What? You can have one.
Now you're gonna have pumpkins in your teeth.
Mm-hmm.